Hello, everybody. A very warm welcome to the e-content learning. Today, in this session, let us learn about a very wonderful topic called as untouchability is worse than slavery. This is a very remarkable essay authored by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar needs no introduction. But still, as a formality, I would like to give you some introduction about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Ambedkar, as you all know, is the father of Indian Constitution. Ambedkar was very instrumental in drafting, and he was the architect of Indian Constitution. He was born in the year 1891, and Ambedkar has many laurels to his credit. As a student, he was very prolific. He was earning doctorates in economics from both Columbia University and London School of Economics. And he gained a lot of reputation as a scholar for his research in law, economics, and political science also. In his early career, he was an economist, he was a professor, and a lawyer. And in his later life, he was into campaigning and negotiations for Indian independence. He published several journals, and he was an advocate for the political rights and social freedom for the Dalits. And he contributed significantly to the establishment of the state of India. And we also know that he converted to Buddhism, and he initiated a mass conversion of the Dalits. And ultimately, in 1990, the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, was posthumously conferred upon Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Ambedkar's legacy is always there to follow. Well, coming to this topic, coming to this essay, this is an essay which has two things to ponder upon: one, untouchability, and the other, slavery. Here in this essay, Ambedkar tries to weigh the pros and cons of both the systems. And he talks upon a concept called as free social order. And Ambedkar, in the beginning of the essay, he is very clear that there is a remarkable differentiation in the social order because of these systems such as slavery and untouchability. He says untouchability also is a manifestation of the stratification of the Indian social system. And coming to slavery, he says that a person is committed to hold another as his slave, and there is no compulsion on him if he does not want to. But an untouchable has no option. Once he is born as an untouchable, he is subject to all kinds of discrimination and disabilities of an untouchable. The law of slavery has permitted emancipation also. And there is a remarkable statement here: once a slave, always a slave, was not the fate of the slave, But in untouchability, definitely there is no escape. Untouchability in that way is worse than slavery. Untouchability has several disadvantages, and Ambedkar says that untouchables are kind of owned by the Hindus for the purposes of which for the purposes of which they further their own interests. In other words, their vested interests. Untouchability is a vehicle to fulfill their vested interests. Well, coming to a quick recap of this session, as you all know, Dr. Ambedkar is credited with the drafting of Indian Constitution, and he is very well known as the architect of Indian Constitution. And Ambedkar, as you all know, he fought against social discrimination, the practice of untouchability. He was an opponent of such practices, and Ambedkar fought for their social, political, educational, and economic equality. Thank you all for your patient listening.